Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be learning how we can group video call in WhatsApp. So for that, firstly you have to search WhatsApp in your mobile device and open the app. And once you have opened the app, you can see an option saying groups, which is at the top of the screen, and click on it. Now click on the group to whom you want a video call. And once you have opened the group chat, you can see a video call option at the top of the screen and click on it. Now simply tap on the call group. So this is how you can video call in a WhatsApp group chat. And if you guys found this helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. And thank you for watching.